having a nice relaxing drive to Normandy, and we saw this like circus on the side of the road and all the animals are out, so we pulled over so we could check them out. But we still stopped at Omaha Beach. This is where the Allied forces landed on D-Day. Good morning, nomads. It's Tanya and I'm up early to catch the sunrise here on the island of Saint-Michel. Ahmed and I decided to splurge a little and get a hotel right on the island, and let me tell you, it was worth it because the sun is just coming up and I'm able to catch the views without too many tourists just yet. Our trip started in Paris and we rented a car and drove northwest to Normandy, France. And one of the jewels of Normandy, France, in my opinion, based on my research, is this island behind me, Saint-Michel. This island is separated from the mainland by a long strip of road and about a 10-minute drive. And before the road was here, people had to wait until low tide so they could cross this ocean barrier. Our Saint-Michel hotel has breakfast, which is great. I got a selection of cheeses, croissant, eggs, sausage. What are you doing?
I mix all the skin of the cheese and I make a new cheese.
Oh.
Here it is, and I sell it for free. Good luck.
So now we're just exploring the island. There's all sorts of, you know, brick walkways and cute archways. Paid 10 euros to explore the abbey on top. Early forms of the abbey at Saint-Michel have been here since 708, and it's long been a place of pilgrimage for religious people. It also served as a fortified area during the 100-Year War, and after the dissolution of religion in the Revolution, it served as a prison, and now it's considered a UNESCO World Heritage Site. In the past, this abbey has been home to monks and nuns, and it has these cloisters for meditation and prayer. we got this very fancy marshmallow strawberry donut. It started raining near the end of our exploration of Mont Saint-Michel, so we hopped in the car and he started driving to our next destination, which is Rouen, which is the capital of Normandy. And it's raining here too. It's raining the whole drive here. So we're just going to have an early dinner and then get up early tomorrow to explore the town and see what there is to see. Who's your friend, Ahmed? Who's your friend?
Oh, my little cow.
So we're at this French restaurant that specializes in beef. The menu is in French, and we had a hard time understanding it. I'm okay just ordering whatever and see whatever comes, but Ahmed wanted to understand what he's ordering, understandably. So we had the most painful time trying to order, and we still don't know 100% what we're getting, but I hope it's good. I'm sure it will be. One thing we ordered that we're pretty clear what it is foie gras, which is goose liver, basically, with toast. Can't go wrong. Very French.
Okay, Tanya, what do you think of it?
It tastes like cold butter on warm toast. It's very fatty tasting. It's very good. Needs a little salt though. So for my entree, I got the Normandy steak, which looks huge and delicious with potatoes gratin, which can't go wrong with that, and like a pepper sauce. Ahmed basically got the same thing, but with fries and béarnaise sauce. Potatoes. Oh, good. Creamy steak. We're up very early this morning because it was raining so much last night we didn't want to deal with it. But the city's super quiet. We can't even find a cafe to grab a coffee. But these cathedrals look beautiful. So Rouen has its own Notre Dame, which is behind me. It's not open yet. We're very early, but we'll pass back by it on the way back, and hopefully we can take a peek inside and have a little better view when the light comes up. So our breakfast was these bannetons. They're like breadsticks with one has raisins, one has chocolate, and then it comes with a fromage blanc, which is like, it's kind of like yogurt. It's like a sour cream, thick sour cream. And it came with little packets of sugar, but it doesn't put a dent in the sweetness of the fromage blanc because it's still very sour.
Got this.
Well, the sun's starting to come up and we've had our breakfast and we're passing through this beautiful clock tower archway and everything's starting to look really cute with all these striped buildings. What a beautiful big Parliament House, and we got here right when the clock was striking 8. This boat-shaped sort of cathedral is Joan of Arc Cathedral, which is dedicated to the famous heroine Joan of Arc. Sunday weekend market being set up around this cathedral. We're back at the Cathedral Notre Dame and it looks open and it's a lot better view now that the sun is up, so we're gonna explore a little more. Back to Paris. The weather is much more fair and Ahmed's driving as safe as he is capable of.